I am completely dead. So we are just gonna wait here. There's a layover of around 3 hours. We'll have our lunch over here, and then we have our next flight from Mumbai to Dubai. And wow, I'm so excited for this. And don't even look, like I am so dead right now, running in no sleep, and the check-in, the boarding, it was so hectic, you guys. It is not a joke, you guys. It is so tiring, like it is so tiring. I woke up at 4:30 and I slept at 2 only. And look at me, names place, the name, मेरे को नाम नहीं पता इस जगह का, but I'm sitting here and waiting for my dosa. It's here, you guys. Let's dig in. There was a layover 4 hours from Raipur to Mumbai, then 4 hours layover from Mumbai to Dubai, and now I'm gonna watch an amazing movie or popcorns. So guys, we are finally in Dubai after 12 hours of travel. 12 hours of travel. We are finally, and we are about to check in into our hotel. We are waiting for our rooms. So guys, we are here, and oh my god, the chaos. I cannot even tell you. After 12 hours of chaos, we have finally got into our room in our hotel and checked in after almost 12 to, I think it's 13 to 14 hours, and we are running from 15 to 16 hours. And let's go into our room, and here we are. So guys, this is just like wardrobe and luggage area, and this is dead me after 16 to 17 hour back-to-back madness. And we are here. I forgot the tripod inside my suitcase, you guys. So first, when you enter from the door, there's a huge shiny washroom, there's the shower, toilet and stuff, and then here I am. But wait for the reveal. I didn't know we are getting this. Look at this, we have a bathtub, and I'm gonna dip in because this, you guys, this is the room, the bed, the couches. I love the vibe. I love this view wala thing. And look at this, you guys. Again, some luggage and a full mirror, you guys. It's so good. Half of the hotels don't have a good mirror, but this is where I'm gonna get ready every day. And I took out my shoes because my legs were dying. Seriously, it were dying. Another mirror. Wow, I love this hotel. And the couch and the lounge area. Wait for the reveal, you guys. And ta-da, this is the view. Okay, only I'm visible right now, but I will zoom in. This is the view from our hotel. I will show you again in the morning. The Dubai frame over here, and look at this, you guys. I I'm done. We are finally in Dubai. So I'm telling you, I forgot to start my vlog because I'm telling you 4 बजे उठ के ना vlog क्या अपना मुंह नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि वेयर कहाँ कान है कहाँ आके लाइक सिर्फ आपको उठ के सामान लाइक यू हैव टू जस्ट पैक योर एस अप दैट यू डोंट फॉरगेट अबाउट थिंग्स एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू लीव. वो ऐसा टाइम होता है. थिंक वी डिडंट गॉट द सेम एयरलाइंस बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम डिफरेंस. आई एम स्टिल गोना चेंज into my foot like sleepers and I'm gonna go out because अभी I am hungry. 7ish according to Indian time. और एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा जेट लैग होने वाला है मुझे लग रहा है क्योंकि 1.5 घंटे पीछे चलता है दुबई. लाइक इट्स if it's 9 PM in India then it is 7:30 PM in Dubai. Nice. So we are here for a spin. I know we are completely dead, but I decided to go out. I'm hungry. So all the markets and the Indian restaurants like cuisines are nearby and we are just close by this location. Only we both are here. Mom and dad are tired so they slept already and we both are hungry. This is baby bro and he's camera shy. So I'm switching it off now. So this is the lane where all the Indian foods and everything cuisines are available. This is Dubai frame.
So ऊपर observation deck है. New.
So this is day 2 in Dubai and we are ready set to go. We just finished our breakfast. It was rooftop with a view with breakfast and we are just going for Miracle Garden. This is our first stop. Like day 2 nahi hai, practically it's day 1 in Dubai and I'm traveling here with my family. So all the chit chats going on behind with my family. We are staying at Park Regis and it is 30 kilometers or 26 kilometers away from our hotel. And this is our car for the today. And the second stop we have is the yacht, private yacht for the evening. Like they also have the option for group and you know public one. But we have the private one. And now I'll take you guys through the entire day. So we are here you guys in the Miracle Garden and oh my god it is so crowded. Wow, it's epitome of beauty. Like wow you guys, look at the beauty. Wow, it's too bright, too bright. These are the famous heart frame. We are here. I'm gonna click pictures over here. So we are at the Miracle Garden and we just entered the Smurf village. And wow, look at behind me.
नहीं मैं 1 घंटा से सकता हूँ इधर भी है राइट में
बाकी सब यहीं पे है।
So we are on the first day of second part and I've changed, we are ready because we went back to the hotel after Miracle Garden and the next stop is we have a private yacht and I'm excited to explore it, so I'm on my all glammed up look and wow, we are just mesmerized by the looks, you guys. I'm gonna add all the clips. The architecture here is so amazing. Each and every corner, each and every building is just. Also, I'm all dripping in Sassiness India today. My baby, my brand with all 18 karat gold. These are anti-tarnish, waterproof. I'll share all the description down in the description. And it's Sassiness India collection, you guys. I'm dropping 10 to 15 new designs. Wow, we are at a marina area about to go in our private yacht. Wow, just wow. I am dying. Right. Wow. So we are here. Oh my god, and this location is to die for, you guys. So we are inside our private yacht that we booked for almost 2.5 hours, and wow, they have loads of option. And now I'm gonna go upstairs. Day 2 in Dubai and with a breakfast with a view. and this is day 2 in Dubai. And look at this, I love the architecture, you guys. Hey guys, so this is day 2 in Dubai, almost day 3 because we reached, first day was like not countable क्योंकि हम रात को पहुंचे थे. And I am in my room, I'm just leaving. We didn't had much of the plans for today, and don't mind the messy background. But I'm just gonna carry a jacket above this, so this is my outfit for today. So we went to Dubai Mall of Emirates, and I shopped a bit from I think Sephora or somewhere else. I don't remember. It was something in the mall only, but wow, there were lots of offers going on, and I didn't wanted to buy too much of beauty products, but I bought something from Gosh Beauty, and I'm loving my outfit, very chill and relaxing today. और आज हमने सिर्फ मॉल का टूर किया, और मॉल is like ultra high end, hip high sort of brands like Gucci, Chanel. Oh my god, I went Dior. Dior has such sexy bags. My eyes are set on it, you guys. Like such amazing collection, and I had a very chill morning because every day here, like we cross 10 to 15,000 steps every day just by walking and traveling, so it was very tiring. I slept, मतलब मैं अभी एक भी रील और वीडियो तक नहीं डाल पा रही हूँ, इतनी ज़्यादा थकान होती है. I just come and we just have our dinner and then I sleep. And the chit chat behind is my mom and my brother. And for Meena Bazaar, so Meena Bazaar is like affordable lower end market where you get like some gold stuff, electronics, and there are a lot of mixed sort of like I think they have a lot of spices market, and it's sort of a mixed market where you have an affordable cheaper options like for bags and jewelry. I have no clue, but it is a mixed sort of market, and I'm also looking forward to explore this kind of market after Dior, Gucci and Chanel. You will not believe दुबई में इतनी ठंडी है evenings में. I think रायपुर के जैसा same weather है, and I'm just carrying my one jacket जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे और भी लेके आना चाहिए था, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट वर्किंग यू गाइज, क्योंकि इवनिंग में ना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है यहाँ पे. एंड लाइक अगर इफ़ यू आर कवर्ड अप इन अ फुल और थिक शर्ट तो वो आपको ठीक लगेगा, बट दिन में इट इज़ वेरी हॉट. इट्स नॉट ह्यूमिड और स्टिकी, बट बहुत तेज़ होता है यहाँ का सनलाइट. तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम दोपहर में रोड वाला मार्केट डिस्कवर नहीं करेंगे. एंड मीना बाजार इज लाइक अ स्ट्रीट, मतलब इट्स नॉट स्ट्रीट मार्केट, लाइक स्ट्रीट्स में लाइन से शॉप्स एंड यू कैन गो एंड डिस्कवर इट सॉर्ट ऑफ मार्केट. सो वाओ, आपका कलेक्शन
सीरियसली
या
लगा के देख लो एक बार.
buying the YSL Libra for me, and this is so yummy. The fragrances, and they're preparing the original oil of it. We are in Meena Bazaar, you guys, and wow, look at the market behind me. Look at the market behind me. It's so crowded, and it is so colorful, and it is like I'm in an Indian market. I feel like that because there are so many traditional outlets, jewelry, dresses, and I bought bunch of perfumes and fragrances for myself. And you know, there are a lot of Indian brands over here, Tanishq and all that. And wow, I'm just loving it, you guys, if you can hear me. And I have shopped a few bits of things, like small things, perfumes and all that stuff, that I will definitely show you guys. So I think we are done for the day. We'll go back to our hotel, and we are dead tired, you guys, and it's a bit chilly. That's why I'm wearing my jacket on. And yeah.